In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix sound issues on Duolingo app. If you're not hearing the usual pings, pronunciations, or feedback sounds, don't worry. We'll walk through a quick sequence that goes from the most common fixes to the in-app settings that control audio, so you can get back to learning without missing a beat. First, open the Duolingo app on your phone. Having the app in front of you will make it easy to follow along and confirm each change as we go. Before touching anything inside the app, check your phone's volume. This is the number one cause of missing audio. Make sure your media volume is turned up, not just the ringtone or call volume. If your phone has a physical silent switch, ensure it isn't set to silent, and double check that vibration-only modes aren't muting your media sounds. A quick tap of the volume keys while a video or any media is playing lets you see the media slider and raise it. Next, disconnect any Bluetooth devices that might be capturing the audio. Headphones, earbuds, speakers, and even a car stereo can silently take over sound output. Temporarily turn off Bluetooth or disconnect those accessories, then return to the app. This quickly rules out sound being routed somewhere you can't hear it. If audio still seems off, restart the app. Fully close Duolingo so it's not running in the background, then open it again. A clean restart refreshes the audio session and often clears up small glitches that developed while the app was paused or switching activities. Now, inside Duolingo, tap your profile avatar at the bottom of the screen. It's the icon that takes you to your account area. This is where the app's preferences live, including the switches that control sound behavior. In the profile view, tap the settings gear icon. You'll usually find it near the top corner. This opens your app settings menu. Scroll until you see the general section. The labels can vary slightly by version, but you're looking for the area that groups core app behaviors together. Within general, find sound effects and toggle this setting on. This option enables the in-app cues and audio responses that help you time your answers and hear immediate feedback. After turning it on, click Save. If the Save button is visible, use it to commit your changes so they don't revert when you leave the screen. If you don't see it right away, scroll a bit to reveal it. At this point, your Duolingo audio should be back. You've confirmed device sound, eliminated Bluetooth conflicts, refreshed the app, and re-enabled the app's own sound effects. Enjoy your lessons with clear, consistent audio.